channel. So today we're going to do an inspired Kylie Jenner kind of makeup. So yeah, if you see something completely different, it's my hair. I got my hair done, I got extensions put in. So yeah, so I'm rocking the long ass hair now, feeling bougie in quarantine. Okay, so we're gonna clip my hair back first. And this is like just my bare looking face right now. I know I look crazy. I know. Alright, so just starting off with a bare face. So I'm just going to go in quickly with some moisturizer. This is just the Cetaphil moisturizing cream. I feel like my face is so dry during this quarantine. It's so bad. And I'm so pale. I have not hit the sun. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm like full breaking out because of these pregnancy hormones. It's like the death of me. I don't break out ever. Like if I do, it will be like one. But this time around, like I'm broken out here and like here. I've got one over here and over here. They came to say hello yesterday. I'm gonna put some lip balm as well.
If it wants to come out. There we go.
Alright, so you are so up and personal on my face. Now you can see everything that I'm doing. So the look that I want to do is obviously, like I said, Kylie inspired. We're going to do this one today. Get it closer. I'm just going to outline my eyebrows and then we can get back into it. Okay, now that the brows are on, let's jump into the eyes straight away because her eyes are so simple. Like you really don't need to do much. I'm so sorry if you hear music in the background. It is my man's. Driving me insane. Alright, so this is the palette. And the only two colors that I'll be using is this one and the white creamy looking one. So the brush that I'm going to be using is the Morphe M200 brush. It's just like a medium size blending brush. So what you're going to do first is we're going to place that color more in here, but towards the nose because that is where she has most of that brown color. And then we'll just add it to the crease here on the side. And she just has that really nicely smoked out. So in the photo, Kylie has like a tiny baby wing, and Kylie usually does like a really small baby wing, and she does it like from midway. She doesn't go all the way through, so we're going to do that. And make sure your line is super thin, like nothing crazy, nothing too thick and nothing too thin. I'm going to just clean up the sides. Now we're just going to add lashes. She's got like really natural looking lashes. So I'm just going to go in with my Ardell Wispies and I'll be right back. So now that the lashes are on, I know where I'm going to place that cream color. So I'm just going to pick up that cream color really quickly. And I'm going to place that on my eyelids, and I'm going to focus it more like in the inner corner because that's where she has it more focused on. I think it's like to make her eyes look a lot bigger and brighter. Alright, and then going back with that blending brush, I'm just going to blend that. So just adding quick mascara. Now we're going to go into the face, which is my favorite part. So starting off with primer, I'm just using the Professional Benefit Primer. And I'll just place that like on my nose where I have my pores. And now I'm just going in with my Fix and Perfect Primer by Rimmel. So I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Superstay foundation. Now Kylie has like a super intense like highlighted under eye, so I'm not gonna go with like a lot of foundation under my eyes. I'm gonna keep that quite bare. Don't forget your ears and your neck, guys. Don't want to look crazy. I'm gonna go under my under eyes. So first I'm gonna go in with my MAC Pro Longwear, and then on top of that I'm gonna go in with the Revolution Conceal and Defined. Because she's super matte, I'm gonna bake under my eyes, and I'm gonna do what I did in my other video, and I'm just gonna mix my Maybelline Master Fix and my Rimmel Match Perfection translucent powders, and then I go in with my Morphe sponge. Like, I don't use this sponge like for my foundation and stuff because I don't know, I just don't like how hard it is, but I like baking with this because of the shape of it. While that's baking, I'm going to cream contour because she's got a really sculpted face. I'm just using my Revolution concealer, but in just a darker shade. My camera turned off, but yeah, so I just set everything, and then I'm going to go in quickly with my, this is my Makeup Store pressed powder, and I'm just gonna set my whole face. Now to contour, I'm just gonna use my NARS Casino bronzer, and then I'm gonna contour my nose as well. Going in with my Bare Minerals bronzer, and she had really bronzy skin, so I'm gonna make sure to bronze really well. So as you can tell, like, I left this part of my face bare, and like, so I can focus the blush because she has a lot of blush on. She's got a really rosy blush. So with the blush that I'm picking, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe palette. So I'm gonna go in with this really pinky shade because she had a really pinky blush on. Usually I'll start off my blush like up here, but I'm gonna start off right in the middle. And I'll just blend it out with my stippling brush so everything can mend together. So what I can see, it looks like she's just wearing a highlighter on her nose, so I'm going to do that as well. So for the nose, I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier Indiscretion highlighter. That's what it's called. It's such a beautiful highlighter. I think it's discontinued though, so I'm sorry guys. But I'm just going to place this like on the bridge of my nose, like how she has it on her photo. A little bit on the Cupid's bow as well. So with her lips, she's got a really nice pinky kind of nude. So I'm just going to go in with my lip liner in Chestnut. I've mentioned this before, I don't know what brand it is, but it's just a nice dark brown lip liner. With my liquid lipsticks, I'm going in is the NYX Lingerie. I love these liquid lipsticks, they're amazing. I have the whole color collection. So first I'll go in with Dusk to Dawn, and then I'll go in with Baby Doll, which is more of a light pink. I'm sorry if you guys can hear the shower in the back. My partner's just having a shower. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!